Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on the topic of retesting. In this video, we'll come to know what is retesting, what is the process you have to follow to do retesting and when to do this retesting, what are the pros and cons of retesting. Friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, what is retesting? When developers releases a build to the test team will perform system testing and identify some of the bugs and raise it in defect tracking tool. The developers start working on it and try to fix the issues and give us a new build as a fix for the issues. So when we receive the second build, we are going to execute the failed test cases which got failed in the previous system testing. In this retesting, we are going to execute only the failed test cases and try to reproduce the issue and check whether the issue is resolved or not. Friends, what is the process we have to follow for retesting? The process is whenever the testers raise the issues, that means when a programming is getting failed, it was reported to the developers through defect tracking tool. Then developers start debugging the code and identify the root cause of the bugs. Then they used to modify the source code to make it bug free. Then they releases it to test team. Test team execute the failed test cases. The one important point we have to remember is no new test cases will be created in the retesting process. Just execute the previously failed test cases. Friends, what are the characteristics of retesting? They are, in retesting, same test data and the same files and whatever the procedure we had followed in previous system testing is just followed in the retesting. In retesting, only the particular test cases which got failed in previous system testing are executed. The main intention of retesting is to give assurance or surety to the workflow. This retesting can be automated. Friends, when to perform retesting? The situations demands the retesting or to check the specific error or a bug. When developers fix that specific error or bug, we have to perform retesting to check the issue whether it is resolved or not. And also sometimes developers reject the bug or issues which was raised by the test team. So we used to retest that particular test case and try to reproduce the issue and also capture the logs, screenshots and do screen recordings as a evidence of the issues so that developers can understand the issue and accept the issue. Sometimes we do retesting to check the old system or to give quality assurance or check the quality of the specific part of the system. And also we used to do retesting on user demands or user requests. Friends, what are the pros or advantages of retesting? The first and foremost in the list is we can come to conclusion that bug is being fixed. We can give the surety or assurance for the quality. It doesn't require any specific or another new software for testing. We can also use same data which we had used in previous system testing. Friends, what are the disadvantages of retesting? The first and foremost point in this list is it requires a new build. For example, the testers raise n number of issues, so the developers have to give n number of builds to retest the n number of issues. More time and effects for fixing all the issues is needed, and also we will have an automation suite to cover all the test cases. But in this retesting, we are executing only a particular test cases. So manually we have to go into the scripts and select the particular part of the scripts and execute. It will be a time-taking process. Friends, let us see some of the important points of retesting. Generally, we do retesting whenever there is a minor code modification. Minor code modification is done by the developers to fix some of the issues. So we test in this scenario to quality assurance and ensure the quality of the system. Friends, I have created this video to share my knowledge with you. I hope this information is helpful to you. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, please click on subscribe button to get notification on the latest video. I request you to please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your lot of support to our channel. I hope it will continue forever.